Hey guys, so I am coming with a quick update on this headband wig that I purchased from Amazon. I purchased this wig to wear on a weekend trip to Phoenix, Arizona, and I must say that this wig held up rather nicely. The curls are still looking nice. The ends are not frizzy, as you can see there. And also, at the nape of the neck where hair gets matted up the most, just want to show you how nice that still looks. Looks as good as when I just first took it out of the package. I have not experienced much tangling or shedding, if any. I'm not getting paid to do this, so I'm giving you an honest review. All I've done is applied. I did wash the hair, curls bounced right back to life, and I applied that Beach Babe that I just showed you, texturizing spray. And yeah, look guys, these curls look more natural now than they did when I first took it out the package. And I must say, when I took it out the package, it looked nice then, but now they're just forming into a more natural curl. And so I just had to come back and let you guys see, because most of the times we do these reviews and we letting you see how it's looking at the time, but we don't come back with an update to just let you see, well, how well did the wig hold up. So I wanted to do that for you guys, especially for this Amazon purchase. Also, the wig came with 2 headbands, and I was stating in the initial review how you may have trouble camouflaging the band with the headbands that came with it. But of course, some people in my comments when I did the review were explaining how you can just fold the headband. I didn't think about that at the time, but yeah, you can do that. But you can also, just purchase some more headbands, which is what I did for a little bit more versatility. And that's one that it's more like a headband scarf. And then I purchased this pack of headbands just because I wanted to be able to change out from a little bit more variety. But yeah, like I said, it does come with 2 headbands and they will work just as good. So I would put this wig on my head right now just to show you how that would look. That looks pretty cute right there. But my hair was looking pretty cute and I didn't want to mess up my own curls. So yeah, I just figured I could just come and just show you this review and, just let you see what the hair is looking like right now. And I must say this is pretty decent quality hair, because, it feels soft. It doesn't, irritate next to the neck or the skin. And as far as this headband wig causing a headache, I will say that the first day that I did wear it, I hadn't slept, and I had my contact in my eye. So I believe those 3 factors contributed to the headache and not necessarily the wig. But I believe, as with anything that's around your temple area, you're probably gonna experience some little pain. And just let you know that I am wearing this wig tonight on my 12-hour shift at work, and it has been about 5 hours since it's been on my head. As of right now, it's not causing a headache. And another thing I wanted to say was, when you put this wig on, I was thinking that you will be good to just attach the band in the back without having to just really use the combs, because it does come with 2 combs on the side, a comb right up here, and there's actually a comb in the back. So you got 4 combs. But I don't like using combs, but I did find out that I have to use the combs on the side, because even before I was leaving to come to work, I was noticing it was starting to slide back. So I also didn't tighten the band back here as tight as I could have, because I wasn't trying to have a headache. So I just kind of, just barely Velcroed it over, because I also knew I was going to have this extra headband on top of that headband. So yeah, just in case you were wondering about that as well, it does have a tendency to slide. At least this wig did on my head. So that's something you might want to take into consideration. You may have to use the combs on the side, or you could get some bobby pins and maybe pin it, being that you do have this, especially if you're going to be wearing another headband on top of this one. Yeah. But anyway, I just wanted to come back to just let you guys see it on my head. You can see the back, how that's looking. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and I will catch you all in my next video. So I just wanted to come back and show you what this wig looks like after I have just washed it. So I washed it on last night, and it's not 100% dry, but it's just got a light dampness to it. But I just wanted you to see what it was looking like. I have really not gotten much shedding with this wig. If I've gotten any, it's been very minimal. As you can see, it's like nothing coming off on my hand. So as far as shedding goes, not gonna be a problem with this wig. And really, tangling hasn't been an issue either. Also want to just, where you've got the nape of the neck area right here, how this is still looking pretty decent. I mean, because typically it will mat up around the neck just because of that area where it's at. And I just want you to see that that's still looking pretty good. And as far as a headache, so when I wear this wig, like I've only worn it once with the actual, using the actual headband attached as far as it being exposed. But most of the time I have it on, I do have on a headband. So I will say that when I Velcro this, I just slightly Velcro it because I'm already putting on another headband on top of this one, rather than just taking it all the way across like so. Now that, of course, will make it tighter, and it will give you a more secure fit. But being that I'm putting on another headband anyway, I think that's secure enough. And like I already stated, like these combs here, you got 1, 2, 3, and then this one here in the back. So I would never use this comb, and I don't like using the side combs either. Typically, the only one I will use is the back comb, but I have found that I have to use these side combs, otherwise this wig has a tendency to slide, you know, back away from my forehead. So I do have to put this combs in just for security. So I do want to make that known to you. If you don't like wearing combs, I know a lot of people will just like even cut out the combs on the wig. Well, I don't recommend you do that just yet, unless you will be using some bobby pins, because like I said, it just had a tendency to slide back off of my head. You know, I didn't want to look up and have the wig darn near hanging off my head. So anyway, $60. I mean, hey, this is 14 inches. So if you missed my initial review on this wig, I'll have a link of it in the description box. And again, I purchased it from Amazon, and the seller that I purchased from was Nefleon Wigs. All right, so I hope this review was helpful, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.